Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel IQ Cars 2.0. Today, we're checking out the 2025 Jeep Camper Van, the perfect adventure-ready vehicle for those who love the great outdoors. Let's dive into the details. Jeep details. The 2025 Jeep Camper Van combines rugged Jeep performance with the convenience of a fully equipped camper. It's built for exploration, whether you're hitting the trails or parking up for a weekend getaway. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior. It's got that iconic Jeep look, with a muscular build and aggressive front grille. The all-terrain tires and raised suspension make it ready for any adventure, and the pop-up roof adds a touch of extra space when you're parked. You won't miss it on the road. Interior. Inside, it's designed for both comfort and practicality. The cozy living space features a fold-out bed, kitchenette, and plenty of storage. There's even an intuitive control panel for your lights and climate, making it feel like home, no matter where you are. Comfort level. As for comfort, Jeep's nailed it. The seats are supportive, with ample legroom, and even after a long drive, you'll feel relaxed. The van's insulation keeps it quiet, and the camper setup makes it easy to settle in for a night under the stars. Performance. Performance-wise, it's a beast. The Jeep Camper Van's 3.6-liter V6 engine provides plenty of power for off-road adventures, and it handles smooth highways with ease. Whether you're cruising on a dirt path or tackling tough terrain, it delivers impressive reliability and stability. Conclusion of review. Overall, the 2025 Jeep Camper Van is a top choice for anyone who loves to combine adventure with comfort. It's rugged, versatile, and ready to take you anywhere you want to go. If you're into camping and off-road journeys, this is definitely one to consider. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this one.